Students come to the master's program in social justice and human rights because they're genuinely driven by a passion to make transformations in the world. Our students get unique opportunities to work with faculty one-on-one. We value faculty mentorship of our students and involving students in our research.
Studying social justice and human rights is exciting because this field is relatively new and innovative, and I love being able to work firsthand with educators and researchers that have experience helping others.
We are an interdisciplinary program. This means that you'll be exposed to anthropology, to sociology, to political science, to the humanities. So you're developing a diverse range of tools that will serve you no matter what you want to do.
Social justice and human rights as a program is for anybody that wants to change in the world, in their community, or in an institution. If you have the desire to advocate, if you have the desire to change, then this program is meant for you.